time I request our newlywed couple to kindly slice their wedding cake.
So traditionally, the newlywed couple will use the officer's sword and that is sanitized. Nakita nyo naman po, pinanasan. Okay. To cut their cake. Yes, puputulin. Ikakat kayo. So as part of the, while our groom is cutting the cake, our groom is one of the executive officer of Bravo Company during our cadet days. So he is the second of command in the company. Ayan. And he is able to run 3.2 kilometers in just 8 minutes during our time. Hindi ko po alam kung kaya pa ngayon. And that concludes our cutting of the cake tradition. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you so much, Second Engineer Mark Vincent Silerio. Maraming salamat po. And now, to continue with this